Stephanie. We're out here at Palm Harbor Homes, Midland, Texas, 101. So we're basically going to tell you a little bit about what we're about and what our, the information we want to give you and stuff and share with you. So we basically are going to tell you a little bit about Stephanie first. We're going to talk about her. And tell us why you work here and tell us about yourself, Stephanie.
Hey guys, so I just recently started working here in March. That's when I got my license. I got hired in February, but I did classes to get that license. And so yeah, I've been doing this for not too long, but I feel confident in myself. I've been already sold 5 houses already. I have customers. I love my customers and everybody, and still have more people working on. So
Yeah.
I love it. The teamwork here is great. We do like something different than other people, I would say, because every morning we have this daily commitment, and it's about supporting each other and motivating us, and it just starts the day off really good having that support from our teamwork. Even though we're not that big, we like this. Oh, and a little quick thing, we are hiring.
Yeah, we are hiring. So if you are looking, you're a go-getter, and you want some money, then you need to come work now. Come out here and come to Palm Harbor Homes, Midland, Texas. It's a career. If you love, you just love people, and sales is it pays
It's good. Yeah,
So-
it was good. Let's just say that.
Yeah, come out here and come, talk to us. Just come in and come see if we can help you out, and you can help us. So.
We offer everything,
Yeah.
So one of the things we do offer is going virtual.
Yeah.
So you guys
yeah.
have different options. Like, you don't have to come in. You can do it either by phone calls, FaceTimes, Zoom. We're doing Zoom.
Yeah,
Well, yeah,
we
we're already doing Zoom, and then emails. I think I said that, but emails. That's how I've been doing it with 2 of my customers. Everything's through email, picking out colors, making sure contracts are done. All that good stuff that goes into it.
Yeah, so you can be at the comfort of your own home. You can,
Yeah.
you can be there. I mean, just
I like laying down and doing everything. So
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure that's
you
how
can
my
be-
customers
you
are.
can look different from here to there. You have your pajamas on.
You don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So like, one big thing that we do offer that I don't even think people know is our website has a lot of good information on it. Like,
A lot. Yes.
it's really nice. I don't know, you guys might not see it all the way, but here's our website right here. So we have a little tab right here on the left where it talks about like homes on display, floor plans, specials.
And we're gonna go through all that stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna go through everything.
Yeah, a lot of people ask about weather and the storm and stuff. We don't have hurricanes here, but we have high winds, and we're gonna break all that stuff down, and we're gonna kind of go through our process.
And we have a good little book if you guys want it.
Yeah.
It's free. We'll send it out to you guys, and you can just come pick it up. We have a lot of free stuff going on.
Our deals.
Speaking of
and-
free,
So we got some
Alright.
heavy duty, handy, whatever you want to call it. We're
Palm
gonna,
Harbor.
yes, we're gonna give that away in the beginning of, the end of next month. So it's gonna be a promotion of August.
Yeah. Entries start on Saturday,
Yes.
1st of August.
You just have to go to our website and go register.
Yeah, it's gonna be on the right corner, I believe, and it's gonna say request more information. So you just put in your name, number, email, and leave a comment. It can be either how we're doing in our videos.
Yes,
Or
and don't
if
be
you
too
have-
negative. Just
there you
tell
go.
us, some feedback and stuff. So we're here to help you and guide y'all throughout the way in
Yeah.
buying a home and stuff. And there's a lot of things. It's one of the biggest things that you're gonna do in your entire life.
Yeah,
So,
and we're gonna break it down to you guys
Yeah.
in Palm Harbor 101. So one day we'll just talk about the whole process, which we kind of mentioned in our old video,
Yeah.
in our first video. But now in future videos, we're actually gonna go like hard deep in and talk about first time home buyers, because there's a lot
our
of people.
experience with some of our customers. And stuff. That way you can get a little detail. And it's like one of the biggest things that you're gonna do in your life. So it
It
takes
is.
a time and stuff, and there's different kinds of people. If you want to do your research on some stuff, and
Yeah.
we're here to give you facts.
And go
stuff.
to our website. Our website is going to give you mostly all the information you're looking for if you just want to take it all in. That's what we're about, taking it all in and giving it out. So just,
Yeah,
on
and
our
you have
website.
questions. We're gonna have some leave your comments, your questions and stuff, and we'll answer some of those questions for you. But come out here at Palm Harbor Homes or do the virtual tour. I don't know where that came from, but do that or set up your appointments, and we can most definitely do that. We do all the areas: New Mexico, Carlsbad, Artesia, Roswell, Eunice, Jow.
Wherever you live, we'll help you out.
We will help you. We will be there with you in your living room or wherever you're at. So yeah, we'll give you all that information that you need. So make sure y'all leave y'all's questions and stuff, and look for us on Facebook, and make sure you go sign up for this ice chest right
We're
there.
gonna be talking about it throughout the week, so you guys can be reminded, and so you guys know exactly where to go. So I'll leave it down in the description box as well every single day. And Saturday we'll make the big announcement again.
Yeah, and hopefully we can get some
What's going
people here, like our general manager, our vice president.
Yes.
Some of
so
the people
they
from the
can
factory,
take
if y'all
stuff.
see this, we would love for y'all to come and talk to us and tell people about what we have, what Palm Harbor is about. We're a combined company, so we have some great experience in this company. So we have a lot of things that are different from a lot of people in our industry. So we want to share that stuff with you because, like I said, it's the most important thing. One of the most important things that happen in your life is buying a house. So we want to give
with
you
you
that
guys the whole
information.
way.
Yeah, we want to
So
give you
bye
that.
guys. We'll see you guys here.
We'll see you soon. Palm Harbor Homes, Midland, Texas.